Undunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal uSihle Zikalala nobehola amalungu ecabinet lakhe ukuyobhonga emsweneni KwaKhethomthandayo uthe izwe lisemanzini, isizwe samaZulu naso sisemanzini, ngisho umhlaba wonke ngokukhothama kwengonyama.
The nation is mourning, the Zulu nation is mourning, but also South Africa at large. His contribution is known in the country, but also in other countries. He has been very exemplary and been able also to assist other nations when he was called to intervene or to assist. He was the embodiment of culture and tradition.
Umgcinimafa we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uchaza uhlanga lomhlabathi njengomuntu bezithobile eyingonyama eqotho ekwazi ukwamukela noma ngabe ubani.
We are saying to the family, be consoled, be comforted. We are with you on this day, and we want to say to the King, our Father, you have done your work on this earth. We bid you farewell today. Go rest now. Your work will be continued.
Umholi we-IFP uVelenkosini Hlabisa uthi ingonyama yamaZulu ibibambe elikhulu iqhaza ekongeni nasekulondolozeni amasiko amaZulu.
The departure of His Majesty leaves the country and the Zulu nation naked. We are at the weakest point. His Majesty the King was an exemplary leader. He promoted the culture of Africanness, the culture of the Zulu nation. He promoted the values of African people. He was a champion of defending women and children.
Ungqongqoshe zokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu uDokotela Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma naye uyekobhonga emswaneni KwaKhethomthandayo. Uthe kunzima kakhulu ukufika endlunkulu ingonyama ingekho.
We have to accept that God accepted that he is going to depart. So we have to try, difficult as it is, to come together, make sure we bid him farewell in a very dignified, unified way.
Isilo samabandla sizotshalwa ngoLwesithathu ebusuku.